Welcome to today's Destination Blinds with Lee lesson. And what I've done is I've bought this switch. It's called a DP-DT switch. This is basically what's identical to what's on 1401. So this is just like a test run. It's $1.99 from up Maplin, so it don't cost a lot. In fact, the connectors cost more than what that did. Right, as you can see, the power of YouTube showed me how to wire it up. So you got the two wires in the middle coming out positive, negative to the motor. Then you got a positive and negative from the batteries, and then that crosses over. They both cross over. Look in the cross shape. Look at the brown and blue wires. That's about it, really. Easy peasy. So I'll press upwards, and you should see what happens. So there you go. Down. And it does go pretty quick. So what I need to, I'm thinking about putting a potentiometer in to vary that, so you can like decide how fast you want. But when it gets down to the bottom, of course, it's winding back the other way, so it's a bit slower. But that still saves you from winding your arm off, in my opinion. Should start speeding up in a minute. It works well. Ooh, yeah. Much rancidity there. Did you know I went to Dudley Blue Coat School? Oh, another amazing fact. Yeah, it should start going faster in a minute anyway. Here you go. Okay, go quite quick now, look.